Hello guys, now add controller in our project. Click Solution Explorer, right click project on project, add add new item, API controller, read write action, add sorry replace controller name, controller replace it, replace rename controller and retain controller product. Already replace our controller. Now write code one by one. First of all, declare a constructor, I interface initialize private, I product service is this product service injected in constructor. Construct I product service injected controller API controller route controller name, route controller replace the controller name, products product controller route product detect all controller and route the every action copy from here, copy from here, API controller name, replace the controller, and write method HTTP GET request. Handle the HTTP GET request, copy it, paste. HTTP GET handle the HTTP GET request. It is a action name, URL, cache this action and hit if match endpoint URL action endpoint URL, then hit this method and call it get product service injected product service, and this method call from this product service interface, deleted default code, then copy this code and paste here. This could handle HTTP GET request, endpoint action, get product by ID, call this action method, and product service interface by injected, call this product service and pass the ID. If not found ID, response is null. If response is null, return null. Try case if ID is a null. If ID is null, then catch throw exception, return error. And copy add product. And paste here. The HTTP post handle the HTTP post request, strip the add the product asynchronously, the async keyword, add product is the endpoint URL, cache the endpoint URL, then call add product async action method. If action product is null, return a bad request. If not null, enter this scope and enter this interface, injected this product service and call this method product. Return if successfully add, return OK. Response is a if add successfully add, return 1 is a success. copy HTTP port request. Paste here. HTTP port handle the HTTP uh, port request and update asynchronously existing product, and update product is the endpoint URL. If product is a null, return the back request. Not null, enter the scope and products injected this product service, and call this product update product async. If successfully update, return one value. Return OK this value. Paste here. HTTP delete, handle the HTTP delete request, delete asynchronously. Product delete product means the endpoint action in route. Delete product asynchronously delete from product table by ID, and injected this product service, then call this method and return success value. Thank you so much.